this circle cuts our previous circle at the point here. Let us name this point as A. Let me name this point as a. So here, this is the circle which helps us to locate the 2 points on the circle. From P, we can draw the tangents to this. So very simple it is now. Just join these two. Join AP. Just here, if you join AP. Yes. So AP is the line which touches the circle at a point A and which is drawn from the point external point. So this is tangent number 1 and this is our tangent number 2. These are our two tangents to the circle C1 which we have drawn from the point P as per the question. So these are our two tangents. In the question, they have told us to measure the lengths of these tangents. So to measure length in the sense from the point, touching point, here A is the point of contact. From this point, you have to measure this length. So take the scale, okay, keep the scale on A and measure the length AP. See how much it is. So let us write here. AP is equal to what centimeter? Just you have to write it. At the same time, BP, you have to measure its length with the scale and you have to write it. Okay. Now, after measuring the lengths, they have also told us to verify it by calculation. Verify it by calculation in the sense what to do with them, how to verify it by calculation. So do the calculation. We should have the knowledge of the right angled triangle. So for that sake, first to do the calculation, let us join this extra point now it is. Let us join the center of the circle O with A. Let us join OA. Okay, only OA. That is sufficient for us. Let us join OA. So join OA. This is extra. Just why we are doing these things? Why we are joining? Because as we have to do the calculation part. Because whatever the length we have measured, that is correct or not, we can get it by calculation. Let me clarify one more point here. On this, there is one theorem. When the tangents are drawn to the circle from an external point, both the tangents will be always equal. Means AP and BP will be always equal. Their measures will be always equal with the scale. If you measure it, you get it. Now here, let us do it by calculation. Before going for the calculation, you should know it here. Everybody knows that, you all know that radius and tangent at the point of contact are perpendicular to each other. So here the angle is 90. As the angle is 90 here, you will apply here Pythagoras theorem which you have heard about, but still yet you have not proved. This year you are going to prove it. Okay? But you know about right angle triangle. What is the right angle triangle statement? Pythagoras statement? It says that if ABC is a right angle triangle, then hypotenuse means biggest side square. That is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is what we are going to apply here. So here for verification, we are doing here calculation. Verification by calculation. So what we do here? We will take the triangle. In triangle AOP, OP square, just here, angle A is 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, you know that hypotenuse, which is the hypotenuse here? Angles A opposite side. Which is the opposite side here? OP. So OP square is equal to OA square plus AP square. So here OP we know it here. OP is the distance of the point from the center. How much I given here? The distance of the point from the center? 7. So that is 7 square is equal to OA square. What is OA here? Radius of the circle. What is the radius of the circle they are given? O square plus AP square. So 7 square is 49, is nothing but 49. 4 square, how much it is? 16 plus AP square. Solve for AP square. 49 minus 16 is nothing but AP square. Now, AP square. 49 minus 16, what will you get? 49 minus 16, how much is it? Yes. So here 9 minus 6, 3. 4 minus 1, 3 is equal to AP square. That is AP equals square root of 30. Now we have to find the square root of 33. Okay, and you already studied in 9th standard how to find the square roots of the given number by division method. And here the square root of 33, if you do it by calculation, you will find it round about. Let us see here. If you do the calculation,